Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, we'll talk about your listing details and how to create a listing that gets found, clicked, and bought. Once your product is designed, your message card is ready, and your mockups look stunning, it's time for the listing itself. And this step is what decides whether buyers ever find you in the first place. So let's understand how it works. When someone searches on Etsy, Etsy has to choose which listings to show them out of millions. The way it decides is by reading the words in your title, your description, and your tags. This is called SEO, which simply means Search Engine Optimization. In plain terms, it means using the same words your buyer is typing into the search bar. Because if your listing uses those words, Etsy understands what you're selling and shows it to the right people. If it doesn't, your product stays hidden no matter how beautiful it is. So let's learn how to do this well. It all starts by thinking like your buyer. Ask yourself, if someone wanted my product, what would they actually type to find it? Remember, buyers are specific. A husband won't search for a term like nice personalized necklace. He'll search for something like 10-year anniversary gift for wife. So those are exactly the words you want to use. Let's start with your title. And let's say we are selling a personalized necklace with a design for the 10th anniversary. A weak title would just say Anniversary Personalized Necklace. A strong title is specific and full of the words buyers really search. For example, 10-year anniversary gift for wife, personalized name necklace, 10th wedding anniversary present. See the difference? The strong title is packed with real search terms, so Etsy has many ways to match you with a buyer. Next comes your description. This is where you tell the story of your product and gently remind the buyer why it's perfect for them. Write it for a real person, warm and clear, but naturally include those same keywords again, especially in the first sentence or two, because Etsy reads those closely. And finally, your tags. Tags are 13 small keywords, and you want to use all 13. Think of every related phrase a buyer might type. Anniversary gift, gift for wife, 10-year anniversary, personalized jewelry, and so on. Each tag is another doorway for a customer to find you. Now, this might sound like a lot, but here's the beautiful part. With Ownprint, you don't have to do it all by hand. Just click on Improve Listing, answer a few questions about who is receiving the gift, who is buying it, what's the occasion, and what's the design or personalization about. And our AI will instantly craft an optimized title, description, and tags for you, all built around your product and the exact buyer searching for it. From there, you can keep it as it is, or fine-tune it to make it perfectly yours. A beautiful product deserves to be seen, and a well-search optimized listing is how you make sure it is. So take a moment to get your listing right and give your jewelry the very best chance to be found, clicked, and bought.